Today I'll be making veg Szechuan fried rice, and this recipe is very interesting. So let's begin, and welcome to Jayasri Karai Katha, a YouTube channel. I put oil in the kadai and I'll put 3-4 whole red chili. The one previously I put the oil. That is the way we have to temper any kadai or any iron wok, anything like that. You have to put the oil first, then again throw away the oil in the container, and then again put fresh oil. So this is the way it becomes non-sticky kind of for the kadai. And I put the whole red chili, then put all the chopped vegetables from onion, beans, carrot, garlic, ginger, then spring onion also, and we'll saute till it will become translucent. I'm adding salt. Stir it nicely in between in full fire. In Chinese, what is happening is energy saving is of prime importance, so they cook on a high fire for a very limited time, so that all the vegetables cooks well, and when it is small size it cooks really well. And when you are cooking, it really cooks that well. Now I'll be putting Szechuan sauce 2 tablespoons on a measurement, on a tablespoon measurement. Then basically I've taken 3 tablespoons of measurement of Ching's chutney Szechuan sauce, which is regularly coming in the TV advertisement. Let's see how this Szechuan sauce works. And I'm adding little more of Kashmiri red chili powder, because Szechuan sauce, that color what is supposed to come, it did not come. Basically Szechuan sauce are more of oil. I don't see any oil in this packet, and as a result the Szechuan sauce, Szechuan chili oil has to be used for Szechuan fried rice. So here I don't see any oil, so I don't see any color coming into the fried rice. So you have to mix up all the rice in such a manner that there is no lumps in the rice whatsoever, and should stir it nicely everywhere, and all the sauce, what flavor it has got in the sauce, should impart to the rice individually. And I used regular Sona Masuri rice, so that it is local for vocal India and Modi. So I am a very big fan of Modi government, and I like this recipe, like vocal for local. And you have to check the seasoning in between, how is the spice level and how is the salt. And Szechuan is basically high on Szechuan high on spice level. Scoville value is also very high in this. And when you put in the tongue, it should burn. I'm putting some more of the spring onions and some cilantro or coriander. I'll do the plating on the plates. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe to your friends and family. Thank you for now. Thank you very much. See you in the next session.